So technically we got a house.
Manifesting.
Yes, we are manifesting that house. Look
Exactly.
at this. Look at this.
Manifesting.
That house is mine. That's a Hola, Muthoni here. I hope you've been doing great. It's been a minute. I know, I am sorry I disappeared on y'all's without saying anything, but it was very unexpected. And so if you're new here, welcome. My name is Muthoni. This is a DIY and decor interior design type work channel, and if you like it, don't feel shy about pressing that button. Okay, so after we did the office, actually was like a mini office makeover. Sorry, we had a conversation, and by we, it's Nick and I had a conversation, and we wanted to know if we wanted to continue staying there or not. And for the first time ever, we were in a position to move outside of the city. Let me say that. We've wanted to live in a house that has a compound and a large one. Those are not cheap in Nairobi, and also with everything that's happening, like Nairobi is becoming a lot more expensive by the day, and I was ready to move somewhere where I knew I wanted to settle for a while. When we moved into the house we were in, I knew we wanted to stay there. Our plan was to stay there for like maybe 5 years, and then now from there move into like a forever home. And then COVID happened. We were there for a year, and of course with a new lease year, you know what that means. The prices go up and there's all these other things. So we were having a conversation, and we decided that maybe we can consider. And so we went looking for a house, and we found a house. It's the most beautiful house. Okay, maybe not the most beautiful house, but it's such a beautiful house with so much potential. And we spoke to the owner, and the house wasn't even in the market, has not been inhabited for over 20 plus years. And the owner agreed to give it to us after we spoke to them. Thank you, universe. If you want the full story on that, it's gonna be on our lifestyle channel on Monday. But the owner decided and agreed to give us the house, and so we are about to start a new series, and I need y'all to help me come up with a name for this new series as we renovate. We're not making over a house, we are renovating. There's a difference, my darling. There's a difference between renovation and making over. We are renovating a house. It's my first renovation, and I'm super excited. Like, we'll be taking down walls. We'll be taking down walls. We'll be changing the structure of the house, not the outside, but the inside structure of the house. We will, there's a lot we are going to be doing, and I'm super excited, and I hope you're going to be as excited for this new journey. So I'm going to give you like a snippet, like just a mini tour of the house that you see the condition it's in right now, but it's not a very detailed one. I'll give you a very detailed interior when we are now walking through the house with a contractor, so as I also share my plans on how we are going to transform and change this entire house. And I'm super excited. And I didn't even mention it's an old colonial house. It's those houses that were built during colonial times, so it's a house that has a lot of history, and so yeah. And now we live in the middle of a tea plantation. Like, let me tell you something, this is like a dream come true. We're going to share the full story of how this entire journey sort of started and how we ended up here, and that's going to be again on our lifestyle journeys on our lifestyle channel. So please, if you're not subscribed over there, go over to that side, because here we'll be doing all the DIYs and stuff, and over there you can see us shopping and making other plans that are not DIYs or renovation oriented, so you can be in the loop on everything that's going to happen through the journey of us doing over this house, and also seeing how we and the cat are adjusting to the new space and everything and all that's happening. So we have a huge compound. Our house is like on an acre of land, and what else, like there's a lot that needs to be done. We have to do new electrical rewiring, We have to change up the roof because the roof has been leaking, and it's been when it's raining, it's been leaking. We have to do the floors. It has wooden floors from old days, so we have to see if we need to change them up or just maybe sand them and stuff. So if you want to be a part of this journey, be sure to subscribe and follow us. And let me just show you a sneak peek. So this is not like the main tour of the house. This is just showing you the potential that the house, like the base we are starting with for this particular house. So check your routes, and you know. House. That's a 2-bedroom house. Can you believe it?
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always.
I hope you liked that. I hope you saw the potential that I saw in the house when you were watching the video. And if you did not, it's also okay. Don't worry. You will see. Now you'll get to see how we flip. We're flipping a house. Yes, that's what we're doing. We're flipping it. So you'll get to see how we flip. Please do give me suggestions of the series. What do you want us to call this series? Because there's so much we're going to do for the house, and on each stage we're going to just be talking about it. So it's going to be an entire series that's going to be separate. And also just a quick update on Here Comes Muthoni. We've selected the 10 participants that are going to be that are going to get their rooms renovated for the first season. So it's going to be 10 participants. So if you had submitted yourself, fingers crossed, communication is going out next week, and cross your fingers as hard as possible and see if you're going to get picked. Okay, so we also got a production house that's going to be doing Here Comes Muthoni with us. So we have a lot of content. 2021, we're here for the content. We're doing a lot of DIYs, and we're doing a lot of renovations. We're doing a renovation. We are doing other people's homes. We are enjoying life. We're eating life with a big spoon. That's what it's called. Yes, we will be eating life with a really, really huge spoon. So give me name ideas of this series. Let's see how this is going to turn out. It's gonna be fun. I'm also getting a workshop within the compound, because the compound also has a servant's quarter, and that's gonna be my workshop. I'm really excited. This house, the moment I saw it, I knew it was the one. It was run down and all, but I saw it and I was like, this is it. This is that house. I'm so happy that they accepted. Anyway, so we are going back to regular scheduled programming. Also, just a quick note, over here videos will be coming your way every single Friday at 3 p.m. Instead of Tuesday. because of the amount of work that will be going in, I would rather be posting the videos towards the end of the week, so that you can see the work that's been done during that week on the house, if that makes any sense. So I prefer Friday. I noticed weekends are not for me. I tried the Sunday thing and I was like, it was taking over my Sundays, and Sundays are literally the only days that I have to myself. So Friday, new videos over here every single Friday at 3 p.m. We're posting once a week. I wish I would be able to share more, but it's a lot of work. These videos take a lot of work, and even putting together just one room, one video can take a lot of time, so I can't do more than one. And yeah, so we'll have new videos on this channel every Friday. If you want to keep up with us, Just Doing Life, we have videos up every Monday, and Thursday we have our candid conversations. So it's a self plug, honey. I have to sell myself everywhere. Please don't blame me. I look forward to seeing you on this journey. I hope you are as excited as I am, as we are, because Nick is also excited. He's not here, but he is. And we hope you are going to be a part of this journey, and you're going to enjoy it as much as we are. And then at the end of it, we are going to be able to look back and see, where we started to how the home is going to, turn out. Next week, come back and watch how we unmade over our other house, the apartment we were in. We have a video on making over that house. So see you next Friday with another video over here. You can also follow me on my socials if you want to be on the Appity app. I don't know what that was, but if you want to be aware of maybe the progress, some of the things we're doing, and don't forget to follow the Just Doing Life channel as well. Thank you so much, and have yourself a lovely weekend.